All right, guys, we are very excited to be here at the Braille House today with
Jade.
Jade, who has been skateboarding for less than
5 months?
5 months or so, and she has learned 10 tricks in those 5 months. She's been doing lessons here at the Braille House with Carlos. So what 10 tricks did you learn?
Ollie, kickflip, shove it, 360 shove it, 50-50 grind, varial flip, ollie body varial, dropped in rock to fakie,
Rock to fakie,
a nose stall.
nose stall.
Is that 10?
That's 10. There's probably even a few more in there. But anyways, that is like incredible progression.
Thank you.
So what are you going to learn today?
I want to break my skateboard.
Okay. We call that in the industry focusing the board.
Okay, I want to focus the board.
Okay.
I think I'm going to learn how to firecracker.
Wow.
If possible, maybe ollie the 3-stair.
There you go. That's like 14 tricks in one video. Let's get it started.
All right. What is a firecracker?
Firecracker is basically riding off the stairs, but your tail is going to clack every single stair on the way down. If you know how to manual across any kind of distance, it's just like that. You're just manualing downstairs. And it feels really cool. So let me show you what it is first. So
Yes, please.
I can actually break it down and we can go into detail.
Okay.
I'm scared. Are you scared?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All it really is you're just manualing down the stairs, okay? So
Okay.
you're gonna keep your shoulders straight.
Okay.
You're just gonna pick up the front wheel
Okay.
and just stand on that one foot. Every stair is gonna be tapped
Clack,
by your
clack,
tail. Clack, 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 and then just right away softly, okay?
Okay.
The faster you go, you can just ride off of the stairs, okay?
Okay.
Just to give you a feel to get down.
Okay.
Scariest thing ever.
Let me stretch it out first.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Clack, clack, clack.
Just so you know, this is not a normal trick that normal people do.
Okay.
Only Carlos.
All right, are we ready?
Yeah.
All right. Woo!
So slower, okay?
Okay, slower. Okay.
Very slow, okay? Literally just manual. Keep these shoulders straight.
Yeah.
And just pick up the front wheel. Your back foot will take over and it'll just clack every stair, okay?
Okay.
So don't even go that fast.
Okay.
So
It's
you're
okay.
like not scared at all right there.
I just gotta do it. No time for fear. Okay, ready? Okay. Whoa!
Now you yell,
All
first
right.
try.
First try.
Okay, if you do it, I'll try and do it.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
I nosedived.
So right there, that's why I tell you to not lean forward, okay?
Okay.
If you do that, you're basically jumping into a swimming pool with no water. And
Okay.
that is not fun for any of us.
Yeah.
okay? Do that again,
Okay.
but keep your shoulders straight, okay?
Was that terrifying?
It was okay.
Gabe just said if he fell that hard down a 3-stair, he would never skate again. Really.
Round 2.
That's what kind of dedication we need.
Okay. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Dang it.
So now go faster, okay?
Okay.
All right, watch out, Crayon. Carlos.
Okay. All right. Okay. I gotta get used to it.
So you want to be able to ollie the 3-stair, right?
Yeah.
So go faster now and just lift up as high as you can and just float across it.
Okay, so don't actually ollie.
No, just float across with a good amount of speed. Get
Okay.
used to dropping off with the distance, okay?
So how do I firecracker?
Oh, you're asking me to?
Yeah.
Well-
I kind of trust you more than Carlos.
Confidence first. Confidence, no
Yeah.
fear.
I think that's where I'm already falling down.
Just don't fall.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just gonna lift the nose up. All right. Okay. Dang, my. I thought I was gonna eat it.
Is that scary?
Yeah, it was scary. What are we doing now?
What you're going to do from there, it's going to be the same amount of speed, possibly even faster.
Okay.
And you can ollie in motion, right?
Uh-huh.
So just pop a baby ollie, okay? I'm going to be there to guide you. I'm going to catch you. So don't worry about falling. Just focus on the trick itself, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Not bad for your first try. That's good. Don't try to pop the ollie because you're going to be safe regardless, okay?
Okay.
So don't focus on popping it so much. Just
Okay.
focus on the control to get down there safely, all right? You popped good, but you don't have to try that hard. faster you go, the less you have to pop.
Have you ever seen that movie Dirty Dancing? The girl runs and she jumps, and then the guy is holding her like that.
Yeah.
That's what I want to do with Carlos. I want to run, and I want to
Do it.
sky into his arms.
All right.
That was really good. Just
Okay.
pop it just a little bit more, okay?
Oh shoot, what?
Just know that I'm here to catch you, okay? But realistically, I don't really need to spot you that much.
Okay.
So just go for it.
All right. Oh, okay.
Okay, so how's that going?
Good.
Is it scary?
It is very scary.
I think the biggest thing that people have to get over on stairs is fear. But it looks like you got it.
Yeah, I'm hiding it very well. All right, let's do this. Sensei Carlos. Oh, shoot. Is there a pad to put down there?
Now he's just letting you go on your own? Or he's still going to be there?
I think he's still gonna be there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm gaining more confidence. All right. Yeah.
Dude, that is so insane to see that. Like, she's the quickest learner I've ever worked with.
You know how
ever.
long it took me to auto 3-star, Carlos?
Dude, it took me like 8 months for me.
No, I'm serious. Do you know how long it took me?
How?
I still don't know how to auto.
All right. Oh, I did that one up. Okay, I did that one for real. All right.
Yes.
That was incredible.
All right.
2 to make it true.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Almost.
I just want you to pop
Yeah.
it a little bit more, okay?
It's like a mind trick.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Please.
That's
You
okay.
got it right. If you want to clean it up even more, just pop a little bit harder. right?
Okay. Oh, there you go. And I did it. Okay.
Very well done.
Thank you guys.
Well, that was like way too easy.
Did it look easy?
Yes. You made it look very easy. So now we do the 5-stair? She's like,
Firecracker.
so you think firecracker's easier?
I think so.
Let's try it out. Let's
Okay.
figure it
Okay.
out. So now we're at the 5-stair. Obviously, it looks a little bit bigger. Looks a lot more intimidating. I'm like, wow, I'm looking down at it myself, and wow. Okay. All you have to do is just same thing. Keep your shoulders straight, go faster, and just do a manual. I'm gonna be there to spot you, so don't worry about that part, okay? And just ride it out, okay? Clack, 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 clack.
To me, this is like really scary. I would ollie this way before doing that.
All right. Ready?
Literally keep your shoulders as straight as possible. Your feet are gonna figure it out for you. Just do not lean forward at all, okay?
Is that scary?
Yeah.
Terrifying.
Ready? Dang it. Shall you go first?
Should I?
Yeah.
I'm more scared than you. Well, I guess I'll go.
All right.
You better grab me, Carlos, if I fall. Who does the firecracker? Nobody firecrackers. Like, you get firecrackers.
Oh, shoot.
See, right there? Just don't pop, okay?
Okay. Ready? Dang it.
See?
Almost lost my shoe. Shoulders parallel to the ground. Oh, okay. Faster than that? I'm gonna go super fast.
I mean, that's really impressive. 5 months of skateboarding, and she's firecrackering a 5. Lance never firecracked a 5. I can't firecrack a 5.
Almost. I just want to break my board. Dang it. Can I do it now? One more try. Woo! Dang it.
That wasn't bad. A for effort.
That's one of the first tricks I've really struggled on.
That's how skateboarding is. It's never an easy sport. So.
No.
Yeah.
And
You always
firecracking a
have to-
5 is not like I've been skateboarding for 25 years, and I can't go and firecrack with a 5 right now. I can't.
The fact that you did
Same.
the 3, you ollied the 3, you attempted it.
Yeah.
Even that itself shows how much confidence that we're just scared skaters. That's right. So,
Boom.
you on that.
That was incredible. All right, guys. So you want to break that?
Yeah.
This is what size of a board?
7.5.
So this is a 7.5 Baker skateboard, and she wants a new one. So she's like, I'm going to break it. Okay, so how you would break a skateboard is you basically go like this, as hard as you possibly can. But
Greatest feeling ever.
it's the greatest feeling only when the board breaks. If it doesn't break, you're going to feel it all through your body. It's going to reverberate up to your brain. Carlos, is there any more instruction to that? It's pretty much...
Do you yell?
Basically has its.
You yell?
You can.
yell, yeah.
That's optional.
Okay.
But
Usually when I'm doing this, I'm crying.
so basically it's focus. So you focus all your strength into it, and you just put all the pressure, and hopefully it breaks.
Okay.
Straight to the middle. Whole
Okay,
body.
flat foot. Do I jump and hiya?
Yeah.
Do whatever.
Just don't land on one foot.
Okay.
Wait, black belt Fetty, are we doing this right?
Yeah, I just lift my foot like this and
Yeah,
Oh, like the
I
straight
think
up.
you have more power, just like a straight up, like boom.
Okay. I'm trying to get rid of the bad juju from not being able to do that. Just focus it on here.
Right here, first try.
All right. Shall we?
Yes.
Ready? Ah!
Not quite enough anger.
Okay.
It was like, you were like, hiya,
Okay.
but this needs to be more like,
All right. Ah! Okay.
More anger.
come back here a little bit.
Okay.
And you're gonna kind of like
Right.
all the anger
All
you've
right.
ever had in your entire life, focus it right to the middle of that board.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Ah!
Keep it going.
Okay.
In baseball, when you hit the ball, you gotta keep the bat going.
Okay. Ah! Why is it not breaking? I thought it'd be easier.
Wait, do we have any Walmart boards here?
Yeah, go grab one.
This is a Walmart board.
Okay.
This whole board costs $15. Lay it into it.
Okay.
Just let it have it.
All right. Ah! Oh! Okay. Showed it.
The testosterone in here is sickening. That was awesome.
Thank you.
Good job. This is the next level. You're gonna jump,
Uh-huh.
and you're gonna go most force here, down on that part.
Okay. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Ah!
Too much left foot, not
Okay.
enough
Right foot.
full
Okay.
blown.
Ah! Okay.
Definitely harder, this one.
Yeah.
Definitely harder.
Ah! Dang it. Ah! Almost a splits.
Try to double stomp both legs in the middle.
No cracks?
No? Okay.
Oh yeah!
Was that satisfying?
Yeah, it was. I can sleep now.
Let's see if Carlos has it in him.
There you go. Aw, thank you very much.
See, Fetty has a lot of anger
Yeah.
from a very
Thank you.
dark place.
Thank you. You guys are sweet. Thanks.
Okay, guys, so thank you for coming.
Thank you.
That was really incredible. Very well done on breaking your first ever skateboard. You've been here for a little while doing lessons, and you've done a couple of videos on the Braille Army channel, and we wanted to do a full series with you. That would be really cool if you're down with that.
Yeah, of course.
So leave it in the comments below if you want to see more tricks of Jade and what tricks should she learn how to do. Huge thanks to Carlos for all the
you.
instruction.
Good job.
He's like incredible at like building the confidence.
Oh yeah, totally. I didn't even think I could do this today.
You did it so easy. I'm still
Yeah.
jealous. I'm gonna go home and cry tonight.
The 5 stair, till next time.
Till next time.
Yeah.
You'll definitely get it.
Yeah.
Boom.
So please subscribe, like, or leave a comment below.
No, or they don't get the option.
Oh.
Like just never leave that open, okay?
Okay, you guys better leave a comment.
Yeah.
What else? Suggestions?
Yeah.
Likes?
See that kind of
Yeah.
anger there? That's what you should have put into the board like the
Yes.
first time.
Or else.